in the arts, what makes it good is that you can communicate emotionally with people around really serious topics. Film is the most powerful and easy to accept into people's lives.
Sometimes it's worth remembering that the North Sea is probably the most productive sea in the world.
It really has such resonance between the Netherlands and the UK, but particularly in Norfolk, the affection and attachment of unity to the North Sea, very special indeed.
The main thing is just create wonder and create a little bit of love of our North Sea.